Valerie's a monster. She's a monster. She will always be a monster. Valerie, go away. Valerie. Ow. Valerie's a monster. Just wait, you'll see. She's a monster, and I'll show you. I'll prove it to you. I'll prove it to you all. What the? Where am I? Where am I? Star. Oh, come on. What? What did I say? No using the teleporter. Who knows where we are now? I don't know, but let's just try to get out of here. Okay, so let's find out where we are and how long it'll take us to get back home. Deal. Somebody's coming! You can't leave me in here! No! I thought we were friends. Oh, I'm Barbie! Oh. Crud. Aw, you're so cute. Oh, why are you trying to escape? Must be the mice. Darn rats. Let me get the rat repellent. Darn it. I have to go get more. Whatever. Chelsea, I'm leaving the house. You better not, like, break anything or die or whatever. Bye. Why can I never open this door? Oh. Let me out, let me out, let me out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let me out, no, no, please, no, please, no, 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 not this again. No, 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 no. Hi, puppy. Wanna be buddies? Ah! No, 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 please, just stay away from me. Aw, you're such a cute little puppy. Come here. Come here, cute little puppy. I'll love you and I'll squeeze you and I'll change your little puppy diapers. Oh, was that a little puppy diaper? Whoa! Stay right here. Not here. Oh, Pampers wipes. Pampers wipes. Here, let me change a diaper. Great, now that you're all changed. Guess I better not do that. Chelsea, while I was out, I got a new hairstyle and a new dress and new shoes. I'm totally not a different doll. If Barbie sees that I got a pet, I'm gonna die. So I gotta hide you. Can't you just hide my sister? Stay in the closet. Come. Stay in the closet now! Oh. Better get the pliers. Da 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 da. Oh. Why does it smell like dog in here? Oh, human! Human, that's normal! Save me! Chelsea's Dog Part 2 will be continued soon. I don't know when, but soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am so close to 100 subscribers, and if you would subscribe, that would mean the world to me. And if you have any other video ideas for Barbie videos, then let me know, because this is one of my favorite videos to do. I really enjoy making them. Also, I'm sorry if you heard my little sister laughing, Eddie, throughout this video. I was kind of laughing too throughout it. Yeah. Bye, guys!